Alright y'all, if your Harbor Freight Predator generator won't start, I'm going to show you what happened to mine, and maybe this will help somebody because I couldn't find anyone that this has happened to. I'm doing another oil change, and I got this little piece of metal to direct the oil right into my pan, and I don't know if you can see. It's got some metal in it. This is the third time in 17 hours I've changed it. But here's the main reason for the video. So the engine will not start. It's totally sounds like it's just completely got no spark or fuel, but it had both. Okay, so as I was saying, engine's completely dead, will not fire, won't even sputter, won't even blip. And this is the choke, so when you turn the knob to start, that moves, okay, fine. But if you look closely, it's not attached to anything on the carb. It's supposed to be attached to this. And it's not. So, pull the airbox off. And by the way, to get it to crank, you can just go like that. It'll start up and run for hours. It ran all night long for me. So, as you can see, that hole's not drilled all the way through. And here's the little hole for that. So what I'm going to do is try to get a pin in there, and I'm going to drill this out and stick a not a cotter pin, but a yeah, just a pin through there, and then probably that's gonna be tricky to put in there, isn't it? So I'll have to kind of figure that out, but I'll show you guys. I just wanted to quickly show you all what you may find. So just, you know, you can do it with everything put together. That's how I did it. I just reached my finger in here, bam, she fires right off. So definitely not a Honda, but runs pretty good.